Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize a fingerprint to unlock your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. For that you want to go to your settings and then go to biometrics and password, and then you have here right on the top the fingerprint ID. You first need to put in your password to verify that it's you, and then you come to this page. You can unlock your device, access the safe, access app lock, autofill usernames and password. So you can say new fingerprint, or if you click on any of them, it will also bring you to the new fingerprint site, and then it gives us a little instructions on how to add our fingerprint, and then we click on add fingerprint. Note the accuracy of the fingerprint sensor may be affected if you're using a third-party screen protector. For best results, use an official HUAWEI screen protector. Okay, don't remind me again. And then place your finger. So we do that and lift our finger, and then move our finger around slightly as well, and then enroll fingerprint edges. Tilt your finger to capture the edges. Enrollment successful. Fingerprint 1 added. Then you can click here on rename, so you can name your finger now, and then set up face recognition. No, we don't want to do that now. And now you see enabled to unlock your device. Here you have your fingerprints, fingerprint 1, you can rename it or delete it. You can here add another finger. You also have the option to identify your fingerprint. So you need to press your finger on it, and then it will tell you which finger it is. Only really makes sense if you have multiple fingers scanned, and if you don't remember which finger is which finger, so you can then identify your fingerprint. That's useful. Then you just go back, and when we lock our phone and want to unlock it, we're gonna put our thumb and then the phone is unlocked. That's how you customize your fingerprint to unlock your phone on your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.